Now here's a quick sneaky preview of day 8, which sees us going through Wales. Now Uncle Fester is following the midget, who's gone off quicker than when he used to get fired out of a cannon at the circus. Now as you can see, it's a quick right-hander followed by a tight left. Now we're all baffled about why Uncle Fester decides it's quicker to take the grass verge again. That poor old tracer of his must be gagging for knobbly tyres. Now let's have a look at that again in a bit of slow-mo. Now he's on the wrong side of the road when he sees the bend. He decides that Volkswagen has a bigger pair of bollocks than he's got and takes to the grass. No wonder you needed 5 minutes to unhook your nuts off the handlebars, Steve. Joking aside, all was fine in the end, luckily. The only thing he did need a hand with was shoveling all that shit out of his pants.